Today we're making graham. Is this enough mixing?
Oh, lagyan mo na dito sa pan.
Okay.
Wait, muna lang, hindi ganyan. Isa-isa lang. Scoop lang.
Scoop.
Ba't mo kasi kinlos? Wait lang, wait. Let me check first.
This is gonna taste.
Ito ko. Go.
It's yummy.
Oh, scoop ka.
See, it's much more yummy if we put some more sugar.
Spread.
Honest, Mom. Honest, Mom. Wait, some mango? Wait, I have to wait. The sides. And the sides are done off a little bit. That's perfect. Put some graham. These? Itong biscuit. Wow. I'm gonna not drop.
Ano na kahit may crack?
Like that.
Oops. Sige pa, more. Lagyan mo pa. Lagyan mo. Lagyan mo pa ang biscuit. Biscuit muna. Kulang pa din yan. Oh, punta kayo. Sa sides, dito mo ilalagay yung ang top. Sa sides, yan. Oh. Spread lang. Then put some mango.
Wait.
Okay na yan, pababa din yung mamaya. Mawawalan yung taas. Okay na yan. Yan ang gamitin mong scoop. Okay lang yung mag-mix.
Oh yeah. They are supposed to be together.
Spread mo. Oops, okay na yan.
The other side.
More.
Meaning the...
Mahal pa rin sa other side. Yan. Spread.
Wait, let me...
Oh, no. Bawal. Ito. More biscuit. Okay na yan. Okay na kasi bababa yung mamaya.
Biscuit. Sarawa, biscuit. 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 And another one.
Okay lang yun.
Biscuit.
Okay lang. More.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yummy. Right?
Tayo din ang makakain. Hindi
Go make a river. I'll make a river first. Yun. Oh, refreeze natin. Or hindi na kailangan i-freeze.
Top. Hindi sa sides, on top. Ay, sa sides mo nilalagay eh. Yan, spread. More mango.
Spread.
Malap na yan.
A biscuit. Oh,
Pag ganun naman, oh. Pag ganun.
ganito?
Pag ganun. Flat. Flat mo. Ayan, okay.
That's enough flatness.
Lapit mo, parang tumuulog yan. Lap na yan. Cream. Mango na, mango. That's enough. Spread mo na lang.
I think we need some more cream because
Enough na yan. Pupunta. Wala na magiging cream yung taas kasi lahat nasa baba. Believe me. Graham na. Tignan mo lahat ng cream nasa baba. Wala nang cream sa taas. Kasi bababa din yan. Bahala ka. Sige, doon mo na. Oh, see?
di ba sabi mo okay lang pag na-crack? Hindi. Puzzle. Another one. Extra mango. It's turning, look, it's turning graham if it's underneath or the sides.
Spread mo. Pagkalagay mo, spread. Yan.
Yummy. We should just put like this.
Hindi Spread mo, spread.
Oh. We have to be much more bigger spoon.
No, Sak. That's enough, Sak. Tutulo lang, oh.
We just need...
Kanina mo pa nga ginagamit yan, diba? Oh, enough na yan. Lagyan mo ng mango.
Another mango.
That's enough. Spread mo na lang, Sak. Oh, isang graham. No. Enough. Graham na. Pag naglagay ka ng mango, graham na yun, hindi cream. Ibig sabihin sa cream, tapos na.
Oh, yes.
Pag nilagay mo yung cream, tapos nag-next step ka na, ibig sabihin, tapos na yun.
Oh. Kahit ginawa mo lang konti, okay lang. Kasi, dapat konti lang sugar. Kasi if it's too much sugar, it's a lot of sugar. It's not healthy for us.
Ano po yan? Game.
Ah. Why may kuya always make with a blender, but you can just mix it?
Spread.
Yay! Oh, there's enough sugar down. Longer that you
Spread.
eat.
Don't just put it. You spread. Kasi nagsisink ko.
One chunk spread.
Mango.
And mango cream.
Oops, enough. Spread.
Spread.
Ano na.
Biscuit.
Lagay mo na yan lahat.
We don't have anymore.
Makawat. Sige, lagay mo na yun. Kahit yung may mga kulak-kulak mo na. Fix mo na lang. Ayan. More.
To keep it safe. Now it's done!
More, meron pa oh. Sige, lahat mo na yan.
Yeah.
Ano pa sa table oh. Meron pa. Yan, okay na.
And it's the powder.
Put some cream.
This is the last one?
Mm.
Oh, only
Some
the
cream.
last one. We should put it all.
Spread. Hindi mo in-spread. Wala yung iba.
Spread ko. Mango. All of the mango that we have. Because it's the last piece. Oh! Can we eat it right now? Aw.
Oh, cover mo na.
Can we eat it already?
Oo.
And now we can taste.
Put mo na sa fridge.
Oh,
Hindi dyan, sa baba.
it's okay. You just use this and put it right here. Yeah. Ate yun. Oh. Yay! We're done making